Hey guys, I'm Hassan Abdul Rahman, second gen owner of Pura Abang. Guys, today I will be sharing with you 3 reasons why you should come to our Warung Abang at 1J Cluny. Okay guys, number 1, it is at Raffles Building. And here, the banner shows Pondok Abang with our signature nasi lemak pandan now available here. Okay guys, if you are coming from Bukit Timah, you will be driving from that side. And if you are coming from town, you will be coming from that side guys, okay? So this place is right smack in the center of town, okay guys? So it is very convenient for you to come from all over Singapore, whether it be from the north, from the east, from the west, from the south. Of course, if you are living around here, come down here and enjoy our heritage food since 1990. And I'll be sharing you more reasons why. Come, let's go. And the second reason why you should come here is because there are ample of parking spaces. Okay guys, this is only car park 1. There's another car park. Let's go. This is car park number 2 guys, okay? So, this is car park number 2. Berapa banyak car park lagi you nak? And you guys love so many hacks kan? Lagi satu hack I nak kasih you all. Tempat sini, parking dia murah guys, murah. Walaupun dekat town, even though we are in town, the parking here is only $1.20 per hour for vehicles. And free for bikes lah guys. So kepada abang-abang dispatch, abang-abang mak-mak motor kan, nak pergi lepak-lepak kan, you tak tahu kat mana nak pergi kat town, you datang sini, parking free. Okay, apart from that, nanti aku tunjuk you the menu pula. The reason number 3 why you should come here, because TO Kopi O 60 sen lah. Dekat Singapore mana you nak dapat lagi? And we are in town guys.
Healing sampai pagi tak balik.
I healing sampai pagi lah. Tapi balik dekat sini 1J Cluny ni, apart from it being in the middle of the town, you ada tempat healing guys. Healing punya tempat kat sini, okay? So lepas you makan, you jangan terus balik, okay? You makan, you masuk dalam, jalan-jalan, you exercise dengan you punya family, you healing dekat sini, okay guys? The nature will heal you. So guys, reason number 3, of course, is about the drinks and the makan dia, okay guys? I memang tak tipu, mari I tunjuk you. Kopi O 60 sen, kopi 80 sen, kopi C 80 sen, TO 60 sen, T 80 sen, TC 80 sen. Mana you nak dapat harga ni macam murah dekat town lagi guys, okay? Selain daripada tu, of course, kita orang punya menu, okay guys? Kita orang ada macam-macam. Kita baru ni tambahkan bubur, okay guys? We added bubur to the menu. And harganya semua berpatutan guys, kalau you tengok lah. Lagi satu barang baru is Nazgul Ijo guys, Nazgul Ijo. Okay, very famous in Indonesia and we have brought it to Singapore, okay guys? Other than that, kita pun ada tambah gado-gado, cakoy bakar, kerang rebus. Okay guys, we have added more menu for you guys to enjoy. So stay tuned guys, we are going to show some clips of the new menu and we hope that you guys can come down here to 1J Cluny Road and enjoy our heritage food since 1990.
The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.